Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to build a CRM in Notion. Alright, so as you can see right here, I have a sample. So we have here the name section or the name column, the status, and then the contact info of your client, the value of the deals. It depends of what kind of business do you have, the date, and our notes. Okay, so with this, we can actually create an effective CRM here in Notion. So to do that, the first thing that we are going to do, of course, is we have to create an account here in Notion. To do that, just open a new tab and then search for Notion. And then you have this first website at the top. So you just have to click on this one. All right. So right here, just have to click on the Get Notion for free. So if you already have an account, just simply click on the login option. So when you scroll down right here, you'd be able to see here the overview of this tool. All right. So click on the Get Notion free at the top. Okay, so since we already have our account, so we don't need to sign up anymore. So to do this, all right, what you're going to do first is to create a new page. Okay, so to do that, you have this pencil icon at the top left of your screen. So this is the create a new page option. So click on this option right here. Now just going to name this new page as CRM dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Okay, so let me just correct the spelling. Dashboard. Then after that, just click on enter. Okay, now for the table, we are going to choose the table database as our layout. So we have that right here, or click on the three dots if you cannot find the table database. Okay, so I'm just going to select the database. All right, so once you're done, you can actually choose a template for your database. So we have here task tracker, projects, document tab, brainstorm session, meeting notes, goals tracker, and then we also have more templates that we can find here. Okay, so it depends what kind of CRM do you want to create. So I'm just going to create from scratch so with that you'd be able to understand if how you can really create a CRM dashboard here in Notion. So we're just going to select the empty database. You can also build with AI if you want to. Okay, so once you click on it, you'll be able to see here now your new database. All right, so the first thing that we are going to do is to set up our table columns. So first is the name, so the client or the company name. So I'm just going to type it right here, client number 1. Okay, now for the next property that we are going to add is the status. So click on the add property option at the top and then select your type. Okay, so we have here now the status. We're just going to select this one. So before we proceed, I'm just going to add another client. So this is client number 2. Right, so now for the next property is we have to add the email or the phone. So this would be the contact information of your client. Okay, so I'm just going to select email or phone. So I think email is convenient for our business. Next is the deal value or the estimated deal worth. So here for our business, we need this property. All right, so click on the add property. And then I'm just going to select text. So I can write right here, deal value. Okay, and then click on enter. Now for the next property is the follow-up date. So we can use a date property for this one. Okay, so let's find the date property. So here is the date property. So simply click on it. And then for the last one is the notes. So we can type it right here, the important details about each client. Okay, and then click on the add property. So we're just going to select text and then just going to type it right here, notes. Okay, so now that we have these property, we can now start adding here the details. So for example, for our client number one, for example, this transaction is not started or in progress or done already. So you can select your options. Just going to select email this in progress option. And the next one is you just have to type it right here, the email of this client. So for example, I'm just going to use my email right here. Okay, gmail.com. All right. Then for the deal value, see for example about 100,000. Okay, and then for the date, so I'm just going to select October 30, and then you can now add here the important notes. Okay, now next is to add filters and views. So we can actually create views like all leads, in progress, or closed deals using the filters. Okay, so here we can see here now the filter. So we have the name, the deal value, the date, the email, and our notes. So we have here now the different property that we have added. And then if we would like to add advanced filter, so you just have to click on this one. All right, and then you'd be able to see here now our advanced filter. Okay, see for example, we just want to see our statuses. Then we just have to let me just delete this filter for now, and then go here, and then click on our deal value. Okay, so here for our deal value, we just have to type out right here, for example 100,000. All right. So you'd be able to see here now the only client that has a deal value worth 100,000. So if you have many clients, then using the filter, it will be easier for you to locate or to see that specific client or clients containing that deal value. Okay, so next one is you can also make a Kanban board view by grouping by status for a pipeline style workflow. So we can use templates or create a client entry template with pre-filled sections for notes, call logs, and next steps to save time. And you can also add integration, but this one is optional. So you can use tools like Zapier or Notion API to connect our CRM to email or lead capture forms. So basically, using the Notion to build a CRM is simple because you can organize all your client details, notes, and tasks in one place. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.